Welcome back, guys, to Spring Boot series. So in this video I'm going to talk to you about a runner. So Spring Boot added this runner class or runners, which allows you to do to execute some business logic immediately after the application context has been created. So we have two of them. You have CommandLineRunner, you have ApplicationRunner. So there can be a situation or a requirement where you want to execute some business logic immediately after the application context has been created. So the application runner gives you one method which you can override, which is called run method, and it takes application argument as an argument. Then you have the command line runner, which takes an array as an argument. Both of these interfaces are what we call functional interfaces. So I'm just going to show you quickly before I end. I hope this is going to be a very short video. So let me close everything here. So if I come here, I can do two things. I can say implement command line run. Then I can override the method. Then in here, I can execute some business logic. Let's say I'm just saying testing. Command line run, for instance. Then if I run this code, I should see this on the console. Let's see, as you can see, it's here. If I do not want to use a command line runner, I can implement application runner, and I can implement this method, as you can see. So it's similar. It's the same. So we saw that the previous one just takes array as an argument, but this one takes application argument. So this one is like a complex way of passing arguments to your Spring Boot application. If you have that complexity, you can actually use this second one. Implementing or inheritance is not actually a good practice. As much as we can, it's a good practice to prefer composition over inheritance. So in the event that you don't want to do that, you can include them as bin. So I'm gonna say bin. Then here I would say private command line runner, and I can say string acts. I hope I'm getting this correct. You know, I don't normally practice first sometime when I write code, so you must just bear with me. So I'm just gonna return a functional interface here. I can call it argument. So this is out. All right, so let me do this. Okay. And how do I do this? My coding skill has run away. So okay, so this is what I need to do. I need to say equals to new command line runner. Yeah, this is what I wanted in a nutshell. Okay, let me do this one. Okay, command line runner. No, this must be okay. Let me do this. This is how this thing works. Sorry guys, I don't normally practice code, so this is how it works. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna say return. So here I'm gonna say arg. There, yes, this is what I was looking for. My Java knowledge has escaped me, but it came back, thankfully. So I have this, or I can put application runner. I want. It's still the same thing. This is a lambda. If I don't want to do this, can remove this, and I can. I will have to. String x. Okay, string the dot x. Don't remember. Okay, this is an application run. Okay, let me say command line runner. Let's see, it returns, no, it's a void. So why is this not working? X. Oh, sorry, I always forget this symbol. My goodness. Alright, our code worked. So you can think of this as maybe an interceptor or what, you know, with what they call this design pattern, a template where you can add logic at a specific point. So you can think of it like that, because it allows us that immediately after the application context has been created, this will get executed. It's like injection point where they allow you to insert the code.